right, this could be part 3 of Foothills Parkway. We're headed the opposite direction towards Deals Gap, Tail of the Dragon, US 129, whichever name you know it by. We'll call it Deals Gap. It's been that longer than anything. We just left a barbecue restaurant over by Pigeon Forge, and the name of that, so I remember, is Boss Hogg's Barbecue. It was delicious. 2 of us ate there for just under $50, but I will admit I ordered a lot of food. It was worth it. It is 12:30 right now, and it is 86 degrees. Over by Pigeon Forge it was 89. I'm on vacation this week, so I'm thinking me and the wife are going to come back in this direction sometime this week and do a mountain coaster, among other things. There is a lot of cool stuff to do in Pigeon Forge. I would say Gatlinburg also, but Gatlinburg's a little bit more touristy, and Gatlinburg is really fond of raping you on parking fees. Gatlinburg didn't used to be so bad on the parking fees, but it's gotten out of hand lately. It feels like they need to trim the trees back over here to the left. When we came through on the other direction, the views were kind of blocked off. But look at that view. That is $1 million view. Look, look, look. Look. That is pretty cool, right? Look at the mountains. Again, if you just jumped in, we are on the Foothills Parkway. This is the new section. It's only been open for about maybe 4 or 5 years now. Sadly, this is July, and this is my first time up here this year. I haven't even been to Pigeon Forge yet this year, so I'm thinking it's going to be on our list. We've got a pot that sits on our countertop, and when we don't know where we want to ride to, we just reach into this pot and pull out a piece of paper, and on that piece of paper is written a ride destination that's typically within 5, 6, 7 hours round trip from home, and has decent restaurants. Uh-oh. Oh shit. Oh shit. Motorcycle bicycle gang. Scary. I'm thinking this guy's a lot faster than the rest of them. I'm glad we caught them at a passing zone. Sometimes these assholes forget that they can't go as fast as a car. They definitely can't go as fast as a motorcycle unless it's a Harley. I used to have a road bike. It was a lot of fun, but there were times it was scary. The hill from where I lived, on a road bike I could get up to 45 miles an hour. It was a 40 mile an hour posted road, and at 45 mile an hour going downhill, cars were still passing me, like I was actually holding them up. I'm 5 over the speed limit, and I was inconveniencing them, that they needed to risk my life. So now when I come up on bicycles when I'm in my car, and I got those impatient people behind me, I make them pay for it. That means everybody behind me, because I respect the bicycle's life a little bit more than some impatient driver's temper. I'm good with helping that guy create road rage. It's just not worth it over a bicycle, right? Bicycles have the same rights to this road as the rest of us. Alright, so I'm going to jump off because I think my time is up, and I'm going to start another video in just a second.